My trading strategy is a little bit different from the full-time trader because about 2 years ago, my role got expanded to more on the business side. So I need to balance between trading and my other work. I have several checking points across the day. First checking point is when I grab my coffee in the coffee shop in early morning. Then I got to catch up on the market news. Then the second checking point is when I settled in front of my desk. I'll catch up on my charts. The third checking point is at lunch. I will look in depth into the themes that I'm interested in. So by the late afternoon, when I have longer time to work on my analysis and trading plan, I already got enough information and some trading ideas that I can incorporate into my plan. I like trading because I can do two things in trading. One is math, that is psychology. I like math in specific geometry. I can draw tons of charts in doing analysis of the charts. That's what I like about it. In terms of psychology, I like to study people's behavior in trading and also my own behavior. My trading style is a combination of fundamental analysis and technical analysis. Normally, I will start with fundamental analysis. This helps me to decide the trend. Trend is my friend. I like to know whether it's going up, going down, or within a range. Then I'll move to the technical analysis. I use several simple but effective tools in technical analysis that include trend line, support and resistance levels, patterns, candlesticks, and also Fibonacci levels. Using only one tool it may not be enough. That's why I like to use multiple tools. That helps me to decide a detailed trading plan. I see a trading plan as a solution to deal with human weak points. I'll give you several examples. First, a stop. Why do we need a stop? That's to deal with arrogance. When I make a mistake, I accept it, I cut my losses, then I move on. Second, risk per trade. This is to deal with greedy. It helps to prevent me want to throw all of my money into one trade. We normally recommend to risk only 1 to 2% of your total capital in each trade. Another example is entrance. Entrance is to deal with your impatience. A good trade is worth to wait. Sometimes no move is the best move until the right time comes. I actually see a lot of connection between trading and my other work, which is running a business. Both need thorough analysis, make a decision, and develop a plan, and then implement it. Depending on the products I trade, I will hold for a different period of time. For FX, I normally trade between days to several weeks, while in terms of equity, I can hold longer to multiple weeks to years.
Hi Sharon， 你好，我想跟你沟通一下今天市场的情况。
I trade the Asian market because it fits into my schedule. I have a lot of meetings at night with APAC teams, so it's just natural for me to be online, work around that time, and make a trade. There are some advantages to trade the Asian market, Asian products. For instance, Asian equities are highly impacted by the US equities. For example, if S&P 500, Nasdaq, and Dow Jones all dropped in the US session, then there's a high chance Hang Seng Index and Shanghai Composite Index will all follow the drop. So that means before the Asian market open, I already know the direction of the market move, so I can develop some plan based on that. Another reason I trade more Asian products is because I'm from China, so I'm familiar with the market. For instance, if I trade the dollar yuan, I know the important factors. In terms of the fundamental factors, there are two major themes. One is the central bank monetary policy, and the second is the ongoing US-China trade dispute. So that's the two things I will look in the news. I will not only read the English news, but also go to the Chinese news website, so I know the views from the both sides. The first tip is to develop a specialty, an area that you are interested in. For instance, because of my schedule, so I trade the Asian market a lot. So Asian currencies and equities are my specialty. A second tip is develop a trading plan. That's very important, including risk management and also set your target. The third one is to review your trade. After you close the trade, that's not the end. You want to review what you did right and what you did wrong, and then improve it in your future trading.
Hi, thanks for watching. If you want to know more about trading and how to master advanced strategies and tools, join the IG Academy. And for more daily business news updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel IG UK. See you there.